Group. At least two people who have one or more goals in common and share common ways of thinking and behaving. Primary group. People who are emotionally close, know one another well, and seek others' company. Primary relationships. Interactions that are intimate, personal, caring, and fulfilling. Secondary group. People who share only part of their lives while focusing on a goal or task. Secondary relationships. Impersonal interactions involving limited parts of personalities. Social aggregate. People temporarily in the same place at the same time. Social category. People who share a social characteristic. In-group. Exclusive group demanding intense loyalty. Out-group. Group targeted by another group for opposition, hostility, and competition. Reference group. Group used for self-evaluation in the formation of attitudes, values, beliefs, and norms. Social network. Web of social relationships that joins a person to other people and groups. Coercion. Interaction in which individuals or groups are forced to behave in a particular way. Conflict. Interaction aimed at defeating an opponent. Conformity. Behavior that matches group expectations. Cooperation. Interaction in which individuals or groups combine their efforts to reach a goal. Groupthink. Thinking that is self-deceptive based on conformity to group beliefs and created by group pressure to conform. Social exchange. A voluntary action performed in the expectation of getting a reward in return. Authority. The legitimate or socially approved use of power. Bureaucracy. A formal organization based on rationality and efficiency. Formal organization. A group deliberately created to achieve one or more long-term goals. Informal organization. The emergence of informal groups within a formal organization in which personal relationships are guided by norms, rituals, and sentiments not provided for by the formal organization. Iron law of oligarchy. Theory that power increasingly becomes concentrated in the hands of a few members of any organization. Power. The ability to control the behavior of others. Rationalism. The mindset emphasizing knowledge, reason, and planning.